Hey guys, it's Danielle with Danielle Gets It Done, and this is my Essential Rewards haul for the month of March.
Gonna love you, honey, on and on and on. I'm a morning dove singing out a song.
I said in February's haul that the next video I might have a little baby, and we do. And she's gonna help me during this video because she needs to be held right now. But this is baby Norma, and it was a great VBAC, positive birth. I will link the birth story below if you're interested in that. But let's get into the haul. It's not too big this time. The first thing I got is more Ningxia Red because I'm just going through that like crazy. So I got my 2 big glass bottles. I'm actually having a little Ningxia Red right now. My preference to drink it is 2 ounces and fill the rest with lemon soda water, and it is so good. Okay, I'm super excited about this. This oil is called Mr. I think I heard about this from Becca Bristow, and so this is safe to put right on your skin, and it's called Mr. A lot of men use this in lieu of cologne, so I thought I'd get this for my husband. Ooh. Yeah, I'm excited to see if he likes it. It smells really manly and earthy. Super good. A freebie this month is Orange Vitality. Orange is one of my favorite citrus oils. It is so good. I love diffusing it. You can put a couple in soda water. This is the Vitality blend, so you can safely consume it if you are able. And it just smells so dang good, and it's really good like even during the holidays to mix with like some clove or something for a blend. It's so good. Lastly, I didn't pay for these. I actually got these with my points, but I got the multi-greens capsules. Now that I have a newborn, it's really hard to consistently eat healthy. You kind of just have to take meals when you can get them sometimes. So I kind of thought it'd be a good idea to have some insurance for getting my greens in every day. So I decided to try this out. And they say take 3 capsules 2 times daily. I'm probably not gonna take as many to kind of stretch it out a little bit. I've heard of other people doing that, and I do have greens every day, so I feel like that will be okay for me. Let's see, there's bee pollen, barley, grass juice concentrate, spirulina, alfalfa, kelp, and then the oil blend is rosemary, lemon, lemongrass, melissa, and amino acid complex. So I will let you know how I like that, but I'm really excited to kind of kickstart being healthy again. I had a pretty healthy pregnancy and I exercised a lot, but that last month or 2, I just didn't have the energy to exercise and just really wanted to eat all the things. So I'm feeling like I'm ready to turn a new chapter in my health and nutrition now. So that is everything. Thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna go nurse this baby and hopefully she'll take another nap. And we will see you in April for my haul in April. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day, and whatever your plans are, I hope you get them done. Bye guys.
Ooh.